Hi everyone, this is Christina Barro from Prestige Properties and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And for today's video, we're touring another ready for occupancy house and lot for sale located here at Pramana Residential Park. And this property is located in Santa Rosa, Laguna. And this is very accessible if you're going to Metro Manila and just exit away lang tayo from Eton Exit. So as you can see, this is the house and lot for sale available and we're selling this for only 30 million. And this is a fully furnished house and lot with a lot area of 156 square meter and the floor area is approximately 300 square meter. And before we enter to the house, you can see at the side of your property, this will be your covered car parking which can fit 2 vehicles. And of course, at the side of your property, this also serve as another parking area if you have a motorcycle. And hindi lang natin makikita but for this car parking, meron tayo dyang storage area which is all things nyo na ayaw nyo makita sa loob ng property, pwede natin ilagay dyan. And now, let's begin the tour inside the house. Let's go! Welcome to your new home. Now, let's step inside the property. As you enter, you'll immediately be greeted by this beautiful large aquarium, creating a relaxing and elegant first impression. Upon purchasing for this property, kung gusto nyo rin or may alaga kayong fish or gusto nyo i-maintain to aquarium na to, pwede naman. But for the fish inside, so hindi yan kasama or included upon buying for this aquarium. From this area, ito naman yung ating living area. So wala tayong television or wala tayong abang na television for this kasi nga ito yung nag-serve na parang TV natin. But actually, nung nandito kami, maganda pala talaga yung ganitong nakikita nyo once na nakaupo kayo dito. From your living area, bago tayo pumunta sa ating dining area, mapapansin nyo rin yung ating huge na chandelier na agaw attention din siya upon entering to this house. And now, puntahan naman natin yung ating dining area which is, we have the 8-seater dining table. Also have the lights, ito. So napakaganda niya rin kasi very synchronized yung mga lighting natin dito sa property na to. So tricolor na rin siya kung ano yung gusto niyo, warm, light. So for this one, napakaganda nito. And of course, yung mga curtains natin dito is also automated na siya. And puntahan muna natin yung ating lanay area. So this one, oh yan, sorry na. So yan, makikita nyo automated na siya. And now, puntahan naman natin yung ating lanay area. So here you also have the space if you have visitors or you have a gathering, birthday party. So magagamit nyo pa rin itong extra space natin dito sa likod. Which is maganda dito na maximize na rin ni owner yung ating lanay dito which is covered na rin. We have the pan. And of course, makikita nyo rin sa side na to, actually meron pa rin tayo ditong aquarium. And of course, on this side, this will be your laundry area. So from here to your lanay area, we have the extra space at the side of your property. So optional naman siya kung ano yung gusto nating gawin dun sa area na yun. And now, balik naman tayo ulit sa loob ng property. So let me show you this before we enter. So pag i-close nyo siya, gaganito nyo lang. And here you go. And from our lanay area, nakita nyo na yung ating living, dining, and ngayon puntahan natin yung ating kitchen area. And you will see we have the kitchen countertop here that also serve as the kitchen nook. Meron na rin tayo ditong stool. So, at least pwede na rin itong maging breakfast nook natin. But this is optional kung ano yung gusto nyo gawin sa side na to. We have the kitchen island here or kitchen countertop. And dito naman sa side na to, andito na yung ating sink. We have the cabinets and meron na rin tayong kasamang range hood and induction dito sa area nito. So as we mentioned, this property is full operated of solar panel. Ang owner natin dito nakaka-experience talaga sila dito ng zero bill. So, makikita nyo rin on this video, naka-installed yung solar panel natin dito sa property na to. Nandito yung mga batteries naman ng ating solar panel. And now, nakita nyo na to yung ating kitchen area. Of course, hindi mawawala yung ating powder room, which is located naman on this area. So, if you have the guest or visitor, they can easily access the powder room on this area. For Pramana and Solen residences, allowed tayong magkaroon ng basement. And for this house na pinipicture natin today, they have a basement and meron pa rin tayo dong additional rooms. And nakagandahan dito, if you have more guests or bisita dito sa bahay, magagamit pa rin natin yung area na yon. And let's go, samahan niyo ako. And now, puntahan naman natin yung basement and you will see these stairs will lead you on this area. Nandito na tayo sa basement ng ating property and what I like for this property, meron siyang home theater. So, if mahilig kayo ng family nyo na mag-movie marathon, so this is one of the advantage dito sa property na to. So, pwede kayo rin maglagay ng projector and of course, pwede rin kayo maglagay dito ng malaking TV and we have 2 rooms pero hindi na lang natin siya ipapakita kasi meron pang mga personal things or ginawa siyang storage area din ni owner. And now, nandito na tayo sa second level ng ating property. From your stair, nandito yung ating room. Ito yung ating pwedeng maging room for your kids. So, makikita nyo, as we mentioned, this property is for sale which is included na lahat ng gamit dito sa property na to. So, we have the bed. So, perfect ito if you have kids, like kung girl siya, like makikita nyo ngayon, yung design ng ating bed is girly talaga siya. And meron na rin tayo ditong aircon, which is included na rin siya. Meron pa rin tayo ditong table at the side of your bed. So, napaka-simple lang nung design niya. Saktong size lang for our baby or for our growing kid. On this bedroom, meron tayong balcony, mini balcony for this area. So, yan. So, kung gusto nyong lumabas or tingnan yung neighborhood nyo, so this will be your balcony for this room. And before ko makalimutan, kasama na rin siya, meron na rin siya ditong mga built-in cabinets. So, maganda siya kasi once you purchase this property, talagang wala na kayong dadalhin. So, kayo na lang mismo or lilipatan na lang itong property na to. And now, puntahan naman natin yung isa pang room. Mas malaki naman ito compared dun sa isang room na pinakita ko. And upon entering to this room, makikita nyo very spacious yung ating room na ito. Nandito na yung ating bed. Katapat lang ng bed nyo, nandito na rin yung study table for your kids. And of course, meron na rin tayo ditong television. On this area, nandito naman yung ating cabinet. And of course, meron na rin tayong mirror sa side na to. And now, puntahan naman natin yung ating master bedroom. And before that, nandito naman sa area na to, yung ating common toilet and bath na mag-share yung ating 2 rooms dito sa second level. So, before tayo pumunta sa ating master bedroom, actually may extra space pa tayo dito and ang maganda pa rin dito, makikita nyo yung ating chandelier. So, napakalaki niya and napakaganda. Ang ganda niyang tingnan from here sa taas nitong property. And now, pagpasok natin dito, ito na yung ating master bedroom. So, hindi siya yung typical na house tour natin na malaking master bedroom. Kasi dito, kinostomize nila yung master bedroom kasi yung half or yung side nitong property na to is ginawang office area. Which is, maganda rin naman kasi kung kayo naka-work from home or nag-o-office talaga kayo, this is perfect. Kasi ito yung inyong mini office na on this side. So, meron na yung tables, storage area. Meron na rin ditong mini table. So, this is optional naman. But for this area, naglagay pa sila dito niyan. At least, parang coffee table or something. On this area, for this master bedroom, meron din tayong mini balcony. And now, puntahan naman natin itong ating master bedroom, which is nakita nyo, meron pa tayong sliding door on this side para at least kung may meeting kayo or may something important kayo na ginagawa dito, pwede nyo siyang i-enclose. Ito naman yung ating master bedroom. Malaki yung ating space pa din dito and naglagay pa rin sila dito ng wall mount TV and may cabinet area na rin tayo. Ang ganda rin itong ating light na to dito sa ating master bedroom. So, very customized din, makikita nyo. And upon viewing naman natin, anytime pwede tayong mag-visit for this house. Basta let us know at least 2 days before viewing para at least ma-inform namin si owner and ma-register tayo pagpasok dito sa property. Here, makikita nyo, this will be your vanity area. So, maglalagay na lang kayo dito ng chair and then dito na rin yung ating mirror. And hindi mawawala yung ating walk-in closet for this house. So, you have the 2 storage area or cabinet dito. Perfect itong ating 2 cabinet dito. And also, we have here the toilet and bath. And paglabas nyo dito sa walk-in closet natin, so makikita nyo itong ating beds which is customized na rin and malaki siya sa typical na mga binibili natin na bed like yung mga king size. Meron na rin tayo dito sa kabilang side natin na window. So, kung gusto nyo ng fresh air or buksan to, meron na rin naman tayo ditong screen. So, optional na bubuksan natin to. And now, balik tayo sa baba ng property natin. Let's go. And that's it for today. Nakita nyo na yung property that we feature here at Pramana Residential Park. So kung familiar kayo kay Solen Residences, Trava Greenfield, so this Pramana Residential Park is also Greenfield ng ating developer. To recap the property we featured today, so the lot area for this property is 155 square meter and the floor area is approximately 300 square meter. And of course, meron tayong basement for this property which is nandun located yung ating home theater and we have 4 bedrooms. If you want to schedule a private viewing, please don't hesitate to message us directly. So you can reach me at 63-917-513-2484. That's my Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. And once again, this is Christina Barro from Prestige Properties. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon on my next one. Bye!